To adjust your counter settings, make sure that your message with your counter is loaded. From there, we'll go to your counter settings. In that message, we have counter 1 available, so we can adjust the parameters for that counter. Your start value, step value. This is if you set it to 1, it will count 1, 2, 3, 4. If you set it to 2, it will count 2, 4, 6, 8, 3, 3, 6, 9, 12. Your current value, this is where you want it to start printing at. The end value, this is where it will either stop printing or start back over at the start value. Your repeat value, this is the number of times that you want it to go through the count, and this is how many times that you want it to repeat each number. And then your system counter is located here, and you can reset that with this button.